Welcome to Flash Tutorial Request 125, Brush Your Teeth, Part 2. It's a follow-up to the Flash Tutorial Request 124, Brush Your Teeth. That's what I have opened on my computer. And I'll show you what we have to work with. I click on the toothpaste, it opens and a toothbrush appears. I can click on the toothbrush and drag that around my stage. So now I want something to happen when the toothbrush touches the paste. Let's open the action panel. And down here at the bottom, before that last curly bracket, put a couple enters in there and type this code. Type. If open bracket, paste open underscore MC, period, hit test object, small h, capital T, capital O, that turns blue, open bracket, brush underscore MC, close bracket. So if the brush touches this paste when it's opened, then we're going to do something. So there's an open curly bracket. We're going to do a trace, open bracket, quotation, hit, close quotation, close bracket, semicolon. This will let us know that the test is working if some of these things don't happen. The open paste open underscore MC period X equals 2300 semicolon. We want to send that paste off the stage as far as it can go so we don't see it. We want to take the brush underscore MC period X equals 2400 semicolon. We want to send that off the stage so we don't see it. And we want to bring in the new brush. The brush that has the paste on it, and the coordinates based on mine, and then we'll talk about this in a minute, is brush paste underscore MC period X equals 126.6 semicolon. That's on the x-axis. You can copy that and paste it in, change it to the y-axis, and 179 semicolon, and there should now be two closed curly brackets here. So just to go back for a minute before I test this, go back to the timeline. What I did was I dragged this brush here. I opened the properties panel and I got some coordinates, and that got me roughly where I want it to be, and then I played around. I played around with these values to get it as close as I need it. So let's test this out. Control, test movie, test. No errors. I click this, the brush appears, and as soon as this hits there, I get this one here, and I'm happy where it is. If it's off, I can just change those values, and the tube of open paste disappears. So now let's write the code that allows us to move that brush with the paste on it, and I think I'm going to put it right here after this one. Couple of enters in between these two last curly brackets, and type this code. I'll just go through it quickly. Brush paste underscore MC period add event listener, open bracket mouse event period mouse underscore down, comma, and I'm calling this drag BP as in brush with paste on it, close bracket semicolon. Here's the function call up line function. You can copy drag BP open bracket event colon mouse event close bracket colon void. You can copy up here and make some changes, but it's easier to start all over. There's the open curly bracket for this function, and now I'm going to do brush paste underscore MC period start drag small s capital D open close bracket semicolon and my close curly bracket. This is very much the same as this, except here it's stage. Here we have mouse up, and this is drop. This is drop, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and brush paste underscore MC period stop drag, small s capital D, open close bracket semicolon, and let's test this out. No errors. Click it, and now I'm going to pick up some toothpaste And now I can drag this and come over and brush my teeth. Now we'll fix this up. Don't worry that this is where it is right now. And as I say, if a test doesn't work, don't go any further till you get it working. When that brush with the toothpaste on touches the teeth, we then have to have many things happen. So again, down here at the bottom between these two closed curly brackets, type, type, type. This is a lot of code. If open bracket, brush, paste, underscore, MC, period, hit test object, same as above, same idea, open bracket, teeth 1, underscore, MC, close bracket, close bracket. If that happens, open curly bracket. The first thing I want to do is do a trace. Trace, open bracket, quotation, hit again, close quotation, close bracket, semicolon. I want this because if something happens that this doesn't work and this works, I know my test is good. It's just down here. The paste open underscore MC X, that the paste open, I want that to disappear. So that's X is going to equal 2300 semicolon. That will send that open paste tube off the stage. The brush that I'm using, I want to change brushes again. Brush underscore MC period X equals 2400 semicolon. Shoves that off the stage. Brush paste underscore MC X equals 2700. I don't think we need this one. I think we already done this, so I'm just going to leave it for now. But this is the brush with the paste on it, underscore MCX equals 2700 semicolon. That sends that one with the paste off the stage. Teeth 1 underscore MC period X equals 2300 semicolon. Sends that off the stage. And I'm bringing in the new teeth. The new teeth, we made the second one. We have 2 teeth. Teeth 2 underscore MC period X equals 406.8 semicolon. I'll show you in a minute how I got that. And if you copy that and paste it in and change it to a Y, 109.8. And I want to bring the new paintbrush, the new brush in with a small amount of paste on it. So it's paste brush small underscore MC period X equals 452.8 semicolon. Copy that, paste it in, change the X to a Y, and 130.8 semicolon. So I don't really think we need this, but right now what we got to do is find out where I got these coordinates from. This one's right here, so I'll show you roughly where I got them from. Going to the timeline. If I click on the teeth, open the properties panel, teeth 1, it's these 2 values right here. Those 2 values are going to be used to bring this teeth into there. And if I look at those teeth, if I go back to here, these here are very close. If I look at where I'm putting this new toothbrush, I'm just, instead of being 406, I'm 425 because the brush is long and I want the end of my brush to be on the teeth. So you can play around with these coordinates to get the brush exactly where you want it. The first thing we want to do is make sure this traces. So let's test this out. Control, test movie, test. Click, touch here. Now, if this traces, this is good. There, traced, hit again. And we can't tell, but this here has moved in. And if I could see, this is probably a new brush. So let's put that on top. Come down here. Brush, just be, this one got to be above the teeth and above the face. This one has got to be above the teeth and above the face. So let's try this again. Control, test, test movie. Click, new brush. Brush with stuff on it. Come over. I have a new brush here. And I'm happy with that. Now, I don't think I need this brush here. I don't think I need that, so I can put 2 forward slashes in it. Paste open. I don't think I need this because I think I already got rid of it. And I think the rest I need. Let's try that once more. Looks good. Pick up some paste, come over here, and get the new brush. Good. We now have to write the code that allows us to move that new P brush small. So again, between these 2 last curly brackets, couple enters, type, 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 type. This code is exactly the same as what we've been using for the drags and drops. The only thing that changes is this will change, 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 change, and change. So let's see if that works. Control, test movie test. Click, new brush, and now I can drag this brush, and that is very good. I'm going to stop for now. I haven't quite figured out how to go a little bit further, but I'm sure I'll figure that out. There'll be a follow-up. It'll be Flash Tutorial Request 126, Brush Your Teeth, Part 3. Save this FLA if you plan on doing that. Hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learn.